Hey, everyone, what's up? Welcome back to the Hotel Tips channel. Today, we're going to explore one of the most spectacular resorts with a breathtaking location in Hawaii, the Turtle Bay Resort, situated on the north shore of Oahu, a paradise known for its giant waves and lush nature. If you're dreaming of a trip to Hawaii and are looking for a place that combines luxury with the wild beauty of the North Shore, stick with me until the end, because I'm going to tell you everything about the Turtle Bay Resort, where it's located, what the rooms with incredible views are like, the various activities it offers amidst nature, the delicious food options, and why it's such a special destination. Go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any tips, and to find out more details and make your reservation, check the link in the video description or scan the QR code that appears on your screen. The location: a treasure on Oahu's North Shore. The main differential of Turtle Bay Resort starts with its location. It's isolated on a peninsula on Oahu's North Shore, surrounded by miles of untouched coastline, paradisiacal beaches, and lush nature. Here, you'll be far from the hustle and bustle of Waikiki and can experience the true essence of Hawaii, with its legendary waves, especially in winter, the tranquility of the beaches in summer, and breathtaking landscapes at every turn. It's the perfect place for those seeking adventure and relaxation amidst nature. The accommodations: stunning views and refined comfort. The rooms and suites at Turtle Bay Resort are designed to offer maximum comfort and, most importantly, spectacular ocean views. You can choose between rooms with private balconies overlooking the waves, secluded beachfront bungalows, or spacious suites with all the luxury amenities. The decor is elegant and modern, with Hawaiian touches that bring the local culture into your space. The beds are super comfortable, the bathrooms are equipped with high-quality products, and the ambiance invites relaxation after a day exploring the island's beauties. The beaches and activities: an outdoor adventure. Turtle Bay Resort is a true playground for nature lovers and outdoor activities. Beaches: the resort has several beaches, each with its own unique character. You can swim in calm waters, snorkel, practice stand-up paddleboarding, or simply relax on the sand. In winter, get ready to see surfers tackling world-famous giant waves. Surf: for surf enthusiasts, the North Shore is a paradise. The resort offers lessons and access to some of the best waves on the planet. Horseback riding: imagine exploring the Hawaiian coast on horseback. Turtle Bay offers this unique experience. Trails: there are several scenic trails around the resort, perfect for hiking and enjoying the local nature. Golf: the resort features 2 world-class golf courses, designed by renowned architects. Tennis: well-maintained tennis courts are available for guests. Pool: a beautiful pool with ocean views is ideal for relaxing on warmer days. Spa: for those seeking complete relaxation, the spa offers a variety of treatments inspired by Hawaiian culture. Dining: local and international flavors. Turtle Bay Resort offers diverse dining options for all palates. Roy's Beach House: Hawaiian fusion cuisine with fresh ingredients and incredible ocean views. Pakai: a restaurant focused on fresh seafood and local cuisine. Lay's Bar and Grill: a more casual atmosphere with classic American dishes and snacks. The Point Sunset and Pool Bar: perfect for drinks and light meals with a spectacular sunset view. Kula Grill: options for breakfast and lunch with a relaxed ambiance. You'll certainly find delicious options for all your meals without having to leave the resort. Special amenities and services: in addition to all this, Turtle Bay Resort offers concierge service, to help you plan your activities and tours on the island. Shops, with souvenir options and essential items for your stay. Parking, available for guests. Wi-Fi, internet access throughout the resort. Cultural activities, opportunities to learn about Hawaiian culture and traditions. Points to consider: remote location: if you plan to visit many attractions on the south side of the island, like Pearl Harbor or Honolulu, be aware that Turtle Bay Resort is a bit further away. Consider renting a car or planning your transportation in advance. Price: as a luxury resort in a prime location, Turtle Bay Resort has higher prices. Final verdict: is Turtle Bay Resort worth the North Shore adventure? So, everyone, what's my final verdict on Turtle Bay Resort, Oahu? If you're looking for a luxury experience amidst the lush nature of Hawaii's North Shore, with access to incredible beaches, diverse outdoor activities, spectacular views, and a quieter, wilder ambiance than Waikiki, the Turtle Bay Resort is an exceptional choice. It's the perfect place for those who want to connect with Hawaii's natural beauty without sacrificing comfort and high-quality service. If you prefer the city's hustle and bustle and proximity to attractions on the south side of the island, other options might be more suitable. But if your dream is to experience the magic of the North Shore with style and sophistication, Turtle Bay Resort definitely is worth the adventure. So, what did you think of Turtle Bay Resort? Have you stayed there or want to visit? Leave your experience and what attracted you most to this incredible place in the comments below. I really want to know. If you liked this video, you know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next reviews and travel tips. To find out more details and make your reservation, the hotel link is in the video description, and you can also scan the QR code that appears on your screen. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Aloha!